Sideline shipment. While working on the pick list, users can take certain actions as per their requirement. Users can go to a pick list which has just been received. Click on View Shipment to see the workflow of a shipment. In the Not Started tab, users will see the shipments which are not yet processed. They can click on Start to process the shipment. In the Partially Packed tab, users will see the shipments which are not yet completely processed or only a few items in the shipment have been packed. As you can see, there is only one quantity that has been packed in this particular shipment. Therefore, it will reflect under the Partially Packed tab. Users can click on Resume to continue with the processing of the shipment. While processing the shipment, users will also be able to take the actions within the shipment, which includes Split Shipment. This option allows the user to split the unscanned items into a separate shipment. Once the shipment is split, the workflow will show Scan Shipment in the Completed tab and the Unscanned Shipment in the Not Started tab. Mark item as not found. This feature allows the user to mark all the items within the shipment as not found. The inventory will be shown under the Not Found section in the Inventory tab. Edit Shipment Details. This action allows the user to edit the shipment to manually mark the items as not found or damaged. Here, users get the option to manually choose the item to take an action. Edit Package. This action allows the user to edit the package details. Sideline Shipment. This action allows the user to hold the shipment while it is being processed. Users can hold the current shipment and start working on another shipment. Once the shipment is sidelined, the workflow will show the sideline shipments in the Sideline tab. Users can resume the shipment anytime. Once the shipment is successfully processed, it will be shown under the Completed tab. Thank you for watching.